Hello students, we are going to see about the working capital. What is working capital? Working capital is money that is available for business enterprises for the daily operation. So working capital refers to the current assets of the company that are changed from one form to the another form due to the operating cycle. So it is calculated as working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. So it is used to serve the business on day-to-day basis. Here is an example of working capital requirement, that is XYZ company's current assets is given and the total current asset comprises of funds in the bank, pending accounts receivables and inventory. It cost about 10 lakhs and the current liabilities are costing around 7,55,000. So the total working capital requirement of a company is calculated as current assets minus current liabilities, that is 7,55,000 minus 2,45,000. The resulting answer is called as working capital requirement. So it is very important one. What are the characteristics of capital? Working capital is it will change from time to time and it has a certain operational structure, that is it regulates or it tells the uninterrupted regular flow of business operation. So this tells the operating cycle of a working capital. The first one is cash. That cash is converted into raw material by buying it, and then that raw material is converted into finished products, that is work in progress. Lot of work has to be carried out in order to convert the raw material into finished product. That comes the third part, and then that work in progress is converted into a finished goods, and finally it is sold in the market, which will give us money, that is in terms of debtors as well as bills receivable. Again that is getting converted into cash, which will be reused for purchase of raw material, work in progress, etc. So this is one of the continuous process. So changes in the working capital requirement can also take place due to some reason. So what are the reasons? So changes in the level of sales, changes in the operating expenses, changes in technology, changes in policy, etc. So working capital is financed generally by the following sources. So how it can be financed, how we can get money, in the sense from cash sales we get money, from credit sales, that is from collection of debtors we'll get the money, and bank credit also we get the money, short-term loans and current provisions, and from long-term sources of income also we get the working capital. So the important constituent of working capital are cash, receivables and inventory. So the efficient management of cash, receivables and inventory leads to the effective working capital management.